Over the last lectures, we learned a lot about Next.js. Now there is more to learn about it, I will not doubt that. You can always visit the official GitHub page I showed you a couple of times throughout this module, and you can visit learnnextjs.com, an official page by the creators of Next.js, which requires a GitHub account to log in, but which then step by step walks you through the core features. With that, you should be able to really utilize this together with the React knowledge you gained throughout this course, because you are still building a React application in the end, to build a React app which is server-side rendered by default, where you don't need to worry about code splitting and routing, and where you therefore might have an easier time creating the React app you're looking to create. Let me finish this module by showing you how you actually prepare this for deployment then. Let's quit our development server and let's revisit the package.json file. Remember, we added 3 scripts here. Build and start are 2 other scripts. Build is the script you want to execute to build the project for deployment. So by simply running npm run build, it will now compile and optimize all that code and spit it out ready for you to ship to a server. Now once npm run build is done, you get the .next folder. This now contains all the build content. Now, this folder here is what actually needs to be deployed, but you would deploy the entire project folder because you also need to install node modules and so on. So you would deploy the entire project folder here to a host like AWS Elastic Beanstalk or Heroku. And that's important. You need a host, a service, which is able to run Node.js, because Next.js uses Node.js and only works on Node.js. All the files you deploy are JavaScript files. So you need a Node.js ready host, and then you ship your entire project there and just execute npm start, the third script. We can also run this locally since we got Node.js installed here. This will now still serve the app on localhost 3000, but now it's the app we prepared for deployment. It works as before, but it's actually using the optimized files where everything is minified and so on. And it shows that everything works. And therefore, if you ship the entire project and then execute npm install followed by npm start on your server, you have your React Next.js application running on a real server with all the benefits Next.js gives you. Again, if you want to learn more about Next.js, don't miss the chance of diving into the official docs here on the GitHub repo or on learnnextjs.com.